Why silence and stillness heal the mind. Psychology explained. When was the last time you experienced true silence? No phone, no notifications, no noise, no rushing thoughts. In today's world, silence feels uncomfortable, even scary. But psychology and neuroscience show something powerful. Silence and stillness can heal the mind. In this video, you'll discover why silence reduces stress, calms anxiety, improves focus, and restores mental clarity, and why your brain desperately needs it. The modern mind is always overstimulated. Our brain was never designed to handle constant notifications, endless scrolling, background noise, multitasking all day. This constant stimulation keeps the brain in survival mode. Psychologically, this activates the stress system, raising cortisol levels and exhausting the nervous system. Silence and stillness do the opposite. They tell the brain it is safe. What silence does to the brain, psychology and neuroscience. Research shows that moments of silence activate the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and restore system. When this system activates, the heart rate slows, breathing becomes deeper, stress hormones decrease, the mind becomes clearer. Silence gives the brain a chance to reset itself. Stillness versus laziness. Important difference. Stillness is not doing nothing. Psychologically, stillness is intentional awareness without action. Laziness avoids responsibility. Stillness restores mental energy. That's why after moments of quiet reflection, people often feel refreshed, creative, and emotionally balanced. Why silence feels uncomfortable at first. Many people avoid silence because it brings awareness. And awareness brings unprocessed emotions, hidden stress, suppressed thoughts. The brain prefers distraction because distraction numbs discomfort. But psychology teaches us this truth. What you avoid controls you. Silence helps you face thoughts safely without judgment. Silence and emotional healing. Emotions need space to move and settle. When life is noisy, emotions stay trapped. When life becomes quiet, emotions begin to process. Silence allows emotional release, reduced anxiety, better emotional regulation. This is why mindfulness, meditation, and quiet reflection are powerful tools for mental health. Stillness improves focus and clarity. When the mind is constantly busy, focus weakens. Stillness trains the brain to stay present. Psychology shows that quiet moments strengthen the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making, self-control, and attention. That's why some of the clearest ideas come during quiet moments. Silence, creativity, and problem-solving. Great ideas are not born in chaos. They are born in quiet moments. When the brain is silent, it enters a state where creativity and insight naturally arise. This is because silence reduces mental noise and allows deeper thinking. Many artists, thinkers, and leaders intentionally seek silence for this reason. How to practice silence and stillness daily. Simple steps. You don't need long meditation sessions. Start small. Sit quietly for 2 to 5 minutes daily. Turn off your phone and just breathe. Notice your thoughts without reacting. Spend time in nature without headphones. Consistency matters more than duration. The long-term benefits of silence. With regular practice, silence can reduce anxiety and stress, improve emotional balance, increase focus and patience, strengthen mental resilience, create inner peace. Silence trains the mind to respond, not react.
final message. Silence is not empty. Stillness is not weakness. They are powerful tools for mental healing. In a world that constantly demands noise and speed, choosing silence is an act of self-respect. Slow down. Be still. Listen. Your mind knows how to heal if you give it the space to do so.